In young permanent teeth, the labial developmental depressions are broad and not very defined. Personally, I find it difficult to have a natural appearance with a flame diamond in class 4 restorations. The easiest way to achieve a harmonious and continuous transition between dental lobes is a pear-shaped bar. I love the rounded head of the blue pear-shaped diamond of Microcopy Dental, as you see in the video, combined with a red band handpiece. I design not only the labial depressions, but also the incisal edge with the same diamond bar, because I achieve a more wavy appearance without splits, which is usually a result of a flame diamond bar. At the end, I polish with two-step flame tips from Microcopy. Try it and stay tuned for more.